Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering NVIDIA's launch of their new Dynamo inference framework, their $2 billion investment in CoreWeave, and expanded details on the Blackwell Ultra platform designed for reasoning AI workloads. NVIDIA made a significant announcement this morning with the release of Dynamo, an open-source inference-serving framework built to handle reasoning models at massive scale. The framework is designed to work across thousands of GPUs simultaneously, which is exactly what you need when you are running these increasingly complex reasoning models in production environments. One of the clever things about Dynamo is how it handles the different phases of generating AI responses. When a model processes your input, that is called the prefill phase, and when it generates the actual output tokens, that is the generation phase. These two phases have very different computational requirements, so Dynamo uses what is called disaggregated serving to optimize each phase separately rather than treating them as one monolithic process. This approach helps reduce latency and increases throughput, meaning you can serve more users faster with the same hardware. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's CEO, said in a press statement that Dynamo scales reasoning AI services while maximizing GPU utilization. The framework integrates with NVIDIA AI Enterprise and their NIM microservices, making it easier for companies already in the NVIDIA ecosystem to adopt. The timing of this release alongside the Blackwell Ultra platform suggests NVIDIA is positioning this as part of their complete solution for what they call AI factories, which are essentially data centers purpose-built for AI workloads. A couple days earlier, NVIDIA announced a $2 billion investment in CoreWeave, purchasing shares at $87.20 per share. This brings NVIDIA's stake in the company to over 11%. CoreWeave has been building specialized AI data centers, and this investment is clearly about accelerating the construction of more of these facilities. The deal also includes multi-year cloud capacity commitments, which means NVIDIA is not just investing money but also securing access to infrastructure for their own needs, and presumably for customers who want turnkey AI computing power. Huang commented on the investment, saying that together they are racing to meet extraordinary demand for AI factories. The size of this investment really underscores how much infrastructure build-out is happening right now to support AI workloads. CoreWeave has positioned itself as a cloud provider specifically optimized for GPU-intensive work rather than general-purpose computing, which makes them a natural partner for NVIDIA as demand for dedicated AI infrastructure continues to grow. The day before the Dynamo announcement, NVIDIA shared more details about how the Blackwell Ultra platform supports large-scale reasoning AI. The company emphasized their full-stack approach, meaning they are providing not just the chips but also the networking infrastructure and software layers needed to run these systems effectively. One interesting point from this update was the compatibility with Llama Nemotron Reason models, showing NVIDIA is working to support popular open model architectures out of the box. The platform is designed with a clear separation between training, post-training, and inference workloads. Training is when you teach the model. Post-training includes things like fine-tuning and alignment, and inference is when the model is actually being used to generate responses. Each of these stages has different requirements, and Blackwell Ultra is built to handle all of them efficiently. An NVIDIA spokesperson stated that Blackwell Ultra is built for the age of reasoning AI. This positions NVIDIA squarely against efforts by major cloud providers to develop their own custom silicon, essentially making the argument that their integrated approach delivers better results than building chips in-house. These moves from NVIDIA show a company that is thinking beyond just selling chips. By releasing Dynamo as open-source software, investing heavily in infrastructure partners like CoreWeave, and building out complete platforms like Blackwell Ultra, they are working to make it as easy as possible for organizations to deploy reasoning AI at scale. The focus on reasoning models specifically is notable since these models require significantly more compute during inference compared to earlier generations, making efficiency gains from frameworks like Dynamo increasingly valuable as these models become more widely deployed in production applications. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.